singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Here's this movie that I think you like. This guy decides to quit.